All right, today I am going to show you how to get to the first quiz from your Earth Science page. So if you're on your Earth Science page, you want to click Content. And then you're going to click 1.06 Classify Earth Spheres. Then what should pop up down here under assessment is quiz MS-Ess2-1, and that's the quiz you're going to be taking. You will have two options, or two attempts I should say, at the quiz. We did go over it in class, and I did make a video going over all the questions, so if you need that, let me know. But this is more of a freebie quiz. I wanted you to know where to find the quiz, how to do it, so that in the future you'll be able to get to the quiz and do it. So this was like a freebie quiz for you. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye!